Honest Ride Radar. Today, we're diving into a true road warrior, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome. If you thought luxury and muscle couldn't coexist, think again. The W900 is already a legend in the trucking world, known for its long nose, classic styling, and raw power. But when you take that same platform and turn it into a motorhome, you're not just traveling, you're making a statement. Let's start with the presence. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome is massive, bold, and unapologetically American. From the chrome grille to the extended sleeper cab-turned living space, this machine doesn't just roll down the road, it owns it. The paint jobs on these custom conversions often feature metallic finishes, intricate pinstripes, or even full-blown murals. Whether it's parked at a truck stop or cruising down the highway, it grabs attention effortlessly. Under the hood, you'll usually find a powerful diesel engine like the Cummins X15, pushing out up to 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. That's not just enough to move a motorhome. It's enough to pull a trailer, a boat, and maybe a few jealous stares along the way. The powertrain isn't just about brute force, though. It's engineered for long hauls, high durability, and smooth highway cruising. Step inside, and this isn't your average RV. These motorhomes are custom-built, often by specialized conversion companies, and the interiors reflect that. Think leather recliners, full kitchens with granite countertops, hardwood floors, high-end entertainment systems, and even slide-outs for extra living space. Some even have washer-dryer units, queen-sized beds, and full bathrooms with tiled showers. It's a rolling luxury apartment built on a commercial-grade chassis. Driving the W900 Motorhome is surprisingly comfortable for a vehicle this size. Thanks to the air suspension and solid build quality, highway driving feels stable and confident. And with a high driving position, you get commanding views of the road ahead. Of course, it's not exactly nimble in city traffic, but for long-distance adventures, few rigs can match its comfort and capability. Maintenance-wise, it's more like caring for a semi-truck than an RV. That means it's built to last, but also demands respect when it comes to upkeep. Regular diesel servicing, tire checks, and keeping an eye on those air brakes are all part of the deal. But the trade-off? You're riding in something that's designed to run 1,000,000 miles. If you're after the ultimate road trip rig that blends brute force, timeless design, and 5-star luxury, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome just might be your dream ride. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Ride Radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more jaw-dropping machines. Catch you in the next one.